Welcome back, everybody. Oh, I am super excited today. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm here in Wiley, Texas with the man, the myth. This is Josh Hunt. What are we gonna make today, Josh?
So we're gonna do smash burgers today. One of my all-time favorites, the Hatch Green Chile Smash Burger.
Let's give it a try. Josh was the winner of the 2020 Great Griddle Off. Right there, go ahead and show it off. And so I had nothing to do with this, by the way. This is all done through Blackstone social media. There's what he won.
So they had different categories for dinner, lunch, dessert, breakfast, and so I entered stuff into each one of those categories. And yeah, what ended up winning was my dessert category, which was some cinnamon rolls that I did in the air fryer. I threw some pecans on top. I never thought that was gonna end up being the winner. So we're gonna slather up these buns with some Duke's mayo. These are brioche buns, picked up at Walmart in the bakery area. Putting them on the griddle on medium, and we'll toast the buns that way. So that's what we're looking for, is a nice toasted bun.
Would you say these are toasted to perfection, Josh?
I would. Fire this up to high. We're gonna get all 4 burners going. Grown in Idaho, super crispy steak fries in the Blackstone air fryer. I like to put them in about when I'm starting my burgers so that they're done by the end of the cook. So we're gonna set the air fryer onto high. So we're gonna hit these up with a little bit of canola oil. It's gonna help them crisp up. They're gonna get some beautiful color on them. And we're also gonna throw a little bit of seasoning on these.
Well, what do we have here? This is Blackstone's brand new Hatch Green Chile seasoning. So Blackstone has 4 new seasonings coming out to select Walmart. This is gonna be a world premiere right here. Do it up, baby.
Let's do it.
Hatch Green Chile on the fries.
I'm gonna put a real light layer of canola oil down with the spray on the griddle top before I throw my burgers down.
I personally think that is a great idea. You'll see some Blackstone cooks on Instagram, Facebook, etc. that have nasty looking griddle tops. And I personally think it's because they don't coat their griddle top evenly. That just helps to fill in all the spots. And that's probably one reason why Josh has this amazing, glistening griddle top.
This is 80-20 beef. I made it into about the size of a racquetball. Maybe about 3 ounces. We're gonna go ahead and throw these onions on each one. Just a couple of onions, and we'll leave a couple off in case some of the kids don't like onions. I like to use parchment paper. I'm gonna lay this down on top of the patty, smash it down. This helps it from sticking. I can just pull this right off and go to each one. I'm gonna throw some whiskey burger on for my seasoning, and then I'm also gonna put on some of TD's Brew and Barbecue's Southern Mustard. So these burgers are gonna cook super quick. So as soon as I flip them over, I like to just kill the heat. I've got some white American and some yellow American cheese we're gonna throw down on these. I like to throw the Blackstone cutting board over to my side that's not hot at the moment and get these burgers plated up. So we're using some 505 Southwestern flame roasted green chilies on these.
I flunked geology in high school, but look at the strata. Look at the layers of burger and that onion.
Let's give it a try.
I think you got almost your whole thing in 2 bites.
Don't call me 2-bite Todd for nothing. Here we go, 3 bites.
What do you got happening up there, man?
So we got double smash burgers with we got the fried onions on there. So we got the Oklahoma style, but then we had to throw in the Hatch green chilies for that New Mexico effect. So we're in Texas right now, but we got the Oklahoma coming in, we got the New Mexico coming in, and we're rocking it.
Matching all those worlds together for a delicious Tex-Mex burger, man. That's awesome, dude. So
Absolutely.
jealous out there.
Make sure you're watching CJ's first cooking show. Come on, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. CJ, we'll catch you next time, buddy.
See you, brother.
Later, fellas.
Delicious. Now we need to make up a few of these and feed the rest of the family. I realized halfway through the video I took my hat off to put some sunscreen on my bald head, but my goodness, I hope you guys enjoy this. It was a pleasure to be here today filming with Josh, hanging out with his family.
It's at Blackstone_Griddling.
Look for Blackstone's brand new Hatch Green Chili Seasoning to hit select Walmart. So you can buy the Blackstone 36-inch air fryer at Walmart, walmart.com. And until next time, everybody, we're going to go ahead and eat these. Praise the Lord and pass the Hatch Green Chili Burger.
That is good.
Should we do it like they do, you know, on the, what was Diners, Drivers, and Dives? There's always the really arrogant cooks.
Yeah.
As, you know, guys biting into it, you know, they're always like, how's that working for you? How's that working for you?
How's that working for you, Todd?